We turn now to the Milwaukee judge on trial. For the first time, we're hearing from the federal agents about their encounter with Judge Hannah Dugan when they showed up to arrest an undocumented immigrant outside her courtroom.
Good morning, Judge. You plan to testify?
12 News there questioning Judge Dugan as she arrived at the federal courthouse shortly before 8 o'clock this morning. We do not know yet whether Dugan will take the stand in her own defense. 12 News political director Matt Smith is again live outside the federal courthouse tonight. And Matt, testimony has wrapped up for the day.
The prosecution, Blake, whipping through a number of witnesses today, now up to nearly a dozen, including those federal agents inside the courthouse that morning preparing to arrest Eduardo Flores Ruiz and detailing for the jury tonight for the first time those dramatic moments and first encounters with Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan.
For the first time tonight, we're hearing from some of the federal agents on the 6th floor of the Milwaukee County Courthouse that day. 6 agents, all in plain clothes from numerous federal agencies, detailing the federal plan to arrest Eduardo Flores Ruiz after his appearance in Judge Dugan's courtroom. The agents detailing their eventual interactions with Dugan, who entered the public hallway after learning they were there. These agents testifying Tuesday are the two seen on the bench, describing Dugan to the jury as angry, very direct, and very stern. All saying Dugan sent them to the chief judge's office, which her defense team says was simply following courthouse guidance, as the planned arrests inside the courthouse became one of the first during the Trump administration and amid ongoing growing contention surrounding the president's immigration plans. Another agent telling jurors the last thing she said to me was get out or leave. The agent adding, I started to say you don't know who I am or why I'm here, and she cut me off. The defense attempting to poke holes in some of the agents' testimony, noting they all complied in going to the chief judge's office, adding they wouldn't have known who she was if she wasn't still in her judge's robe in the public hallway.
And so, Matt, what makes this even more complicated for jurors is there is no audio on all of that video we just saw in the hallway.
None for the jury, none that we will hear in public, just the recollection and the testimony of these federal agents, and we'll never hear the tone, which has become a centerpiece of how Judge Dugan was talking to them.